That's a delicate to call against Nati, Susan Nadevno.
We need freedom. We need justice. We need freedom. Free all political prisoners in Ethiopia. Free Bakale Garba. Free Olbana Lelisa. Justice for Bakale Garba. Justice for Olbana Lelisa. Justice for Masfina Babe. We need freedom. We need justice. We need democracy. EU. Stop supporting the dictator. Stop supporting the killer. Stop supporting the murderer. We need freedom. We need justice. Down means TPLF. Down means TPLF. We need freedom. We need justice. Justice for all Oromo political prisoners. Justice for Oromo students. Justice for Oromo students.
Dua segala kenyasani duka ajenno.